So Lourdes left a request in the comments. She wanted me to do a makeup look using 5 products. And soon around that time, I noticed a video in my feed from Cate the Great. She had done a collab with 2 of her friends using 5 products to create a look. So this morning, to make sure that I didn't break any of the rules, I watched Cate's video. And so I think I'm prepared now to create that look. So I'm going to start with the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation. I haven't pulled this one out in a while. And so I thought I would show you this one again. The color I'm using is nude. And I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Blurring Brush. It matches okay. I never get used to that children's bubble gum smell. So it's really early in the, it's what, 7:26? I started this video early this morning so that because the sun rises right there and shines in and it makes funny lighting. It competes with my lighting in here, and then you would think more lighting would be good, but it actually messes up my filming. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my lid too for my shadow primer and underneath my eyes as my under eye concealer. And I'm gonna do a dibby dab more for extra coverage. Still using the same foundation. I'm just patting it in with my finger where I want more coverage. So have any of you seen that documentary? I think it's on Netflix called Fed Up, where Michelle Obama is. Part of it is Michelle Obama trying to address the child obesity issue. But I think the point that they make at the end is that even she gets bought. See if you come to the same conclusion. I could be completely wrong. Talking about the school lunch programs making kids fat. I guess it's mainly about sugar. It's not about, it's not about, they don't address carbs, they just address sugar. Soda and candy and that low fat things have sugar added to it. Okay, all right. I think that is that. Next, I'm gonna go in with Ritual. And I'm going to use Ritual for a lot of things in this look. First, I'm going to use it for my contour, bronzer, and blush. So I'm going to take the Ritual up here. I'm putting it along my hairline. I feel like I have a lot of forehead, so I'm making it look like less. I'm just putting it all the places that I like to wear it. And I'm going to contour my nose with it. The reason I chose the Laura Mercier is one of the Ritual is because it has some veining and I can get some dimension out of it. Up here where it's pink, here I'll do it slower. I'm going to concentrate my brush in that and put that in the blush area. I don't think it's not giving me a blush look. I think it's just making it darker. All right, now I'm going to take it across my lid and my crease. Okay, so that's 2 products I've used so far, right? I want a clean brush and see if I can fix this where I got it, where it grabbed. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush and clean up around it. There. Okay, I'm going to take another brush. This one is a Sigma small angle in E65, and I'm going to run that Ritual underneath my lash line. And I'm also going to use it as my liner. I'm going to try to run my brush through the darkest part of the veining for the liner. And then I'm going to stamp it out here so I know where to bring it up. This is a Sigma small tapered blending. It's an E45. I'm going to take some of that darker Ritual and run that through my crease. Like that. We'll blow out that shadow that Ritual that I ran underneath my bottom lash line. I'm using it also to powder my lashes as a eyelash primer before I go in with mascara. I'm going to take this is Brow Gal brush. I'm going to take some of that Ritual and use it as my brow powder. My brows are microbladed, but I always like to add a little more anyway. Stamping it in the front like that. And then I'm going to take the spoolie end of this brush. And like I said, this one is by Brow Gal. Anastasia Beverly Hills makes one of these, and also Sigma does. And of course, I'll link the one by Sigma. And I have a coupon code that you can use. I also think they have a coupon for 25% off right now when you go in their site. All right, there we go. Now, I'm going to use the Tarte Big Ego, and I'm going to go straight in. I'm going to push it into the tight line. That'll be my eyeliner. So how many products is that? This is the third product. So I used the foundation, the Ritual, and the mascara. That's just 3 products. And I did not have skincare on my face prior to going in. I had just rinsed my nighttime skincare off. This foundation is dewy enough that it doesn't need, I don't feel tight when I put it on. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and then I also have a few little places that I need to clean up. That really works as a tight liner. See? Or I might get to pull another product out since I've only used, what, 3 so far? I'm gonna pull out the Charlotte Tilbury Liberty Love, and I'm going to put that on my lips. I'm going to roll it in. Put it on my cheek. And put it on my lid. Cleaning up the mascara places and buffing the Ritual that I put underneath my eyes. All right, let's do another layer of mascara. Must have had too much coffee this morning. I keep bumping my face. Okay, now I gotta let that dry again to clean off where I bumped. So I used foundation, Ritual, lipstick, and mascara. I get one more. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Put that up here on my brow bone. Like that. And I'm going to use my Sigma F64 to buff that out. And this is still my brush with Ritual. And no eyebrow gel since I used up my 5 products. Okay, so I used Charlotte Tilbury Liberty Love, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, Tutti Frutti, mascara, and Ritual. Those are my 5 products. Thank you, Lords, for the idea. I enjoyed making this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching it. Thank you, Lords, for the video idea. I enjoyed making it. I hope you girls enjoyed watching it. Leave me your ideas in the comments, and I thank you for spending time with me today.